If you've been looking for an easy way to create AI videos without complicated editing software, then you need to know about Golpo AI. Golpo AI is an artificial intelligence tool that allows you to create videos just by writing a prompt. You simply describe what you want, and the platform generates the video for you. It's perfect for content creators, social media videos, faceless YouTube channels, marketing content, and more. And the best part? You can get started for free. So let me show you step by step how to use Golpo AI for free. First, open your browser and go to the official Golpo AI website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option that says Start for Free. Click on it. Now you'll need to sign in using your email address. Enter your email, create your account, and log in. Once you're inside, you'll see the main interface. This is where everything happens. You'll see a text box where you need to write your prompt. This part is very important. You need to be very specific about what you want in your video. For example, instead of writing something simple like make a video about fitness, you should write something more detailed like create a 1-minute motivational fitness video for beginners with an energetic tone and practical tips. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your final video will be. After writing your prompt, scroll down. You'll see different customization options. Here you can choose things like whether you want a male or female voice, whether you want the video in vertical format or horizontal format, whether you want it in Spanish or English. And possibly other style or tone settings depending on the platform updates. Adjust everything based on what you need. Once everything is ready, click on Generate. Now you'll need to wait. Usually, the platform says it can take around 10 to 15 minutes to generate your video. You'll also receive an email notification once your video is ready. So just wait until you get that confirmation. Once it's ready, you can log back in, download your video, and use it for your content. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create videos using Golpo AI for free. Just write a detailed prompt, customize your settings, generate the video, and wait for the final result. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials. See you in the next video.